Guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Um, I have something new to show you, and I am happy with it. I received this package about, I think today's Wednesday. I received this package on Sunday. Yes, Sunday. Um, yes, guys, my mailman does work on Sunday sometimes when they have to deliver package. So guys, anyways, I want to talk to you guys about this right here. This is my new choice for my fruit savers, guys. I'm telling you, a lot of you guys know that I do a lot of salads and I add fruits to my salad, but I cannot add a whole entire apple to my salad or a pear to my salad. So guys, I've been using it. I don't like receiving one package and come here and say, oh, the product is good, without trying it. No, I tried it for 4 days. I had an avocado in here. I ate that for my breakfast this morning. It did not turn. When you cut an avocado, and even if you put it on a Ziploc bag, give me 1 second, guys. And you put it in a Ziploc bag, it still gets for some reason, it gets black. You cannot even leave it in the refrigerator from one day to the next because it turns black and it turns nasty. You have to throw it out. It's nothing that you can do with it. You cannot utilize the whole avocado. But I have my avocado here. I mean, I washed it. I didn't clean it completely. It's not completely clean because I wanted to do this video. I used this, guys, and let me tell you, my avocado was fresh as the same day that I cut it. So I seen many commercials about this, but I said to myself, I am not going to waste my money in it because it's just another gimmick to get you to buy things. Guys, I'm going to tell you, this is not a gimmick. I recommend this. From 1 to 10, I give this product a 20. I like it. I enjoyed my avocado this morning and my breakfast tostadas. And you get in the box. I'm going to leave the link of the vendor, his link. I'm going to leave it in the description box, so guys, you can go and check him out. Guys, I'm telling you, you get, and the reason why you see 2 little bags out here is because I also have used half of an onion. I still got my other half here. You see it looks nice and fresh and crisp, as you guys can see. So I'm going to be cutting that. And as you guys see, I'm making a salad. So I'm going to be adding it to my salad. But you know what's the best thing is? That you get 4. 4, okay? I mean, this one says it's for avocado, but I don't have to put an avocado if I don't have an avocado. But I do have a half a pear. See, my pear is already changing color because I have it to the air. So I like putting them in here. Take this, turn it. It's a little bit at the beginning. You get used to it, but that's what you know is going to be nice and safe. You guys see it there? So it's going to stay nice and fresh. This is a silicone stretch, so your product will stay nice and fresh. I could leave this pear here for maybe like a week and still go back to it and have it. You also have one for lemon, lime, a kiwi. This one is also for tomatoes. But guys, if you don't have tomatoes and you have any other fruit that you need, you don't have to use it for what it says. This one says for a tomato, but if you have a big apple that it doesn't fit on the other one, you can always put it in here. You know, lemon, a kiwi, anything, guys. So the first 5 minutes of this video was sponsored by Silicone Avocado Savers. I will leave the link of the vendor in my description box below. You can find him on Amazon. And guys, check it out. Check it out. I'm telling you, check it out. All right? All right, guys. So the rest of this video is quick and easy meals. We're making a quick salad and we're making our meals. So guys, I'm going to bring you back here to my counter and we are going to prepare our dinner. Yes, we are, guys. See? Since I didn't need that whole piece of onion, there it is. Then I put my half an apple in that one. I got a half a pear in the other one. And this is what I'm going to be using for my salad. And this is where I have the onion when I had it in half. So, yeah, guys, I'm telling you, you guys are going to love it. And you guys know me. I don't recommend anything just for ha-has. So, yeah, guys, we're doing a quick and easy meal. We're doing a salad. So, what are you guys are having for dinner? I hope you guys having something healthy. I went for my walk. So, now it's time for dinner, guys. And for my dinner, I decided to make a salad. You know, my husband went to work, so that's all we need. So when I finish with this salad, I'll bring you guys back and show you what it looks like. Well, guys, my salad is done. This is what my salad looks like. It's delicious. Guys, but one of the main reasons why I recommend this, the Food Savers, right here. The main reason why I recommend this product, this versus this money goes right to the trash. You bring a box of this, you bring a box of these bags. You know what kind of bags are these. I don't want to say the name, but you know what kind of bags are these. Freezer bags or storage bags, but you know the main name of it. You bring these bags home, okay? You go to the store, you pay for this. This is like the store that you go, $2.99, $3.99. Sometimes they're even $4.99. So every time, let's say that you go to the store like every 2 weeks and you purchase a box of this. So you add that money times whatever time, how many bags you buy, equals this that you buy just one time. I know I don't rinse this out and reuse it. I don't do that because when you wash this, believe me, I try to rinse. I rinse this out, and when I put it to dry, it was still wet inside. You have to sit there and dry it, and who has time for that? This, you use your food that you have here safe. You rinse this out, put it on your dish drain, let it dry, and keep going by your business. And this is just one-time purchase, and this will last you for a long time. As long as you take care properly, it will last you for a long time. Believe me, guys, this is something that I recommend. If you are a person that's always buying produce, buying fresh produce is not cheap. Produce is expensive. Tomatoes, lemon, limes, onions, apple, pears, even pickles you could put in here, okay? You know, the not the ones in the jar, but the raw pickles. cucumbers, you cut them in half, you could put it in there and store it until you are going to use it, and it'll stay nice and fresh. Guys, like I said, I tried this product for 4 to 5 days before I recommend it to you guys. And let me tell you guys, they did not disappoint me, guys. They did not disappoint me. So I recommend this product. And guys, like I said, I will leave the link of the website in my description box below. This is what it looks like. Okay, so you make sure you get the original product. All right, guys. So I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.